Now, I've been on YouTube since 2017, and in those years, I have made a lot of chicken recipes. Now, after a lot of taste tests, I've decided that this easy baked cracked chicken is one of the tastiest recipes that we have. So this recipe happens to have millions of views on our website. So today, I personally am gonna show you how to make it. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna share with you a special key ingredient that we use that might change your life forever. All right, so we're gonna start with 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds of chicken. Now the instructions say you're supposed to hammer it down so it's nice and flat, but to be honest, I don't love doing that. So I'm gonna take out my handy dandy knife and I'm gonna actually just slice it right in half just to make them thinner so they're very similar in, I guess, width. So they'll cook about the same. So look at that little guy. They look pretty. I mean, they're pretty similar. They're not perfect, but at least they'll cook evenly. All right, now you're gonna take your non-stick cooking spray and just spray the bottom of your 9x13 pan. Now you're gonna take your chicken and just layer it right onto the bottom. I'm gonna just take my salt and pepper and just season it a little bit. You could also do like garlic salt. That would be really yummy on this. I love garlic salt. Okay, we're gonna stick this aside for a second because now we're gonna make the yummy sauce that goes on top. So we have just a block, so 8 ounces of cream cheese here that's not quite melted, but soft, very soft. So I'm gonna take my cream cheese, we're gonna just mix it around a little bit. Now, if you need to stick this in the microwave, you can do that. Okay, that's looking good. So we have about 5 strips of bacon. We're not gonna use all of them yet. We're gonna use about half, and we're gonna put that into this little mixture. Then I have some ranch seasoning, so it's about a package or about 2 tablespoons of your ranch seasoning. And then about a 1/2 cup or so of your cheddar cheese. And we're just gonna mix this all together until it's well combined. So now we're gonna take our yummy sauce and just pour it, I guess, or scoop it lightly onto each piece of chicken. All right, rest of it on. All right, the mixture's on, it looks good. We're gonna add just a little bit more cheese on top, because I like cheese. Then I love onions on top, so totally up to you, but I love a good green onion. I think it tastes so good with this recipe. All right, so now we're just gonna put this in the oven, 400 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. You just wanna make sure your chicken is cooked to about 165 degrees. Okay, chicken is all done. It looks amazing, it smells amazing. I'm excited to taste this one. Now that, my friends, is good chicken. Now before we end, that secret ingredient that I was talking to you about is our special buttermilk peppercorn ranch, and you can get our seasonings right now. I'll put a link down below in the description for you. Now, if you want to see more recipes like this one, I have plenty for you just right up there. All right, you guys, have a good day. I'll see you next time.